gonna replicate this tile on this floor with the help of all of our friends, Douglas, Daryl.
Today, as you see around us, you look at the floor, we've taken a floor that's already been here, and the guys have it all prepped out. They've got it sanded with open screen 80 grit, and at this point, we're getting ready for the next step. We've wiped it down with natured alcohol. That really helps promote the adhesion and the bonding between epoxies. The next step, of course, is we're taping it out. We've got several areas mapped out. We're going to use some pretty beautiful colors. I think we're using a metallic green, metallic blue, and there's different shades of these. We've got a couple picked out that he wants to use that are really beautiful. And we're doing a purple and pink, and I think we're going to use a little bit of glitter, which is exciting, gives a little more pizzazz. So we're just getting set up. We're nearly done. Wiped it down with the natured alcohol, and colors are mixed, outgassing. We're just about ready to pour it. So I'm going to begin pouring the pink ribbons out. I'm going to start from this end, and I'm just going to go a nice little rows, back and forth. I'm going to do that the whole way down, trying to keep it uniform and nice and thin. And once we get it down, the guys are going to start right away with sponge. They got a sponge, they got them on poles, and they're just going to start actually moving them together and smoothing them out.
And then we're going to be spraying the acetone there against our hands and sprinkling it out, similar to the priest blessing you in the Catholic Church as he runs around with his holy water, okay? So this is the epoxy man's holy water. I'm going to be sprinkling some glitter on top of all of this, so it's going to disperse to the outside perimeter of the acetone as it sits on the surface, okay? And you're going to create a real cool effect that way.
We're getting ready to pour this floor. We got 20-minute pot life and about 40 minutes work time on the floor. We're going to pour down this iridescent green, and they have the iridescent blue mixing up right now. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pour out just little streams here and there and try to give it a little more uniform look.
Saw right there, a lot of times when you're doing countertops, you might use a hair dryer, you may use a heat gun. This was a leaf blower, so when you do it in a large floor area, you can get a battery operated leaf blower, you get an electric leaf blower, and you end up with really some beautiful, well, three-dimensional look to this floor. So now it really does look like water. That looks like something out of the Bahamas right now. So I'm getting ready to jump in, okay? So you guys want to just hang out, okay?